Paperclip. Surprise! Another video.
How to change the light bulb in the dome light on a 2003 or other years of the same Chrysler Sebring.
Old man car.
I'm guessing it's not the same for the convertible version.
It might be the same.
I don't think they have a dome light.
They might.
So
Maybe it's really fancy and intricate. It is an old man car.
So if you've gotten yourself one of these,
Mm-hmm.
it works pretty darn good.
That's right. Senor Paperclip does it all.
Jam it in there,
Right in the back part.
and then it pops this here thing down, and apparently it stays connected. Oh no, it will just fold down. This here, you gotta focus on that.
All I can see is the thing that you bent towards me.
Oh.
Yes. So, there you... Oh. Well, almost got it. Oh, jeez.
So this thing probably comes right out somehow.
I can see most of it now.
Oh, it's some sort of clip thing.
Yeah, looks kind of clippy up there.
Got two fingers in there. Something holding it.
That's wire.
Oh, well, there's your problem.
This wire's just short.
Ah, there was a bug on me.
Oh, no. Not a bug.
So, anyway, that's how that comes right out of there if you want to do that. Otherwise, there you go. Here's your bulb. If I can get this out of the way some more. There's your bulb right there.
The bulb is in there.
You turn that off somehow? I don't know how.
I don't know. Probably because the door's open.
There should be a kill switch on the thing.
I don't know. It's hot as balls in here. Gotta leave the door open. There it goes.
So, that's
I don't know if I'm aiming it right. I can't see.
That's good. I believe that to be any 194 or 168 or like bulb, T10 socket bulb will work. Mine doesn't need to be replaced because it clearly works. But bulb would just pull out if it's not 1,000 degrees from having your door open for 10 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
Then just pop it in, pop this up.
Senor Paperclip is our only friend that will need to take care of that.
And one more time in super slow motion. Just pop it down.
No one believes you. No one believes you.
Alright. There. Done.
Thanks, Senor Paperclip. You saved us again. Paperclip.